welcome back to my channel. Today's video would be me styling this violet purple bob wig that I just finished making on my sewing machine. I'm gonna be styling it today using my BabylissPRO titanium. I said bro. Ooh, take two. My BabylissPRO titanium flat iron. I just got it a couple of days in the mail from Amazon. And I caught it on sale. It was a really good sale. Unfortunately, it's not going on anymore, but your girl is cheap and I caught this baby on sale, so I had to get it. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. If you're not new to this channel, welcome back and thank you so much for staying with me. Don't forget to like this video and then comment down below any of the videos that you want to see me do. I'm up for anything, so there's nothing off guards. I don't think that was the right word. Anywho, without further ado, let's get into this video.
motherfucker up 800 degree. My whole team eat chefs 'cause she's